A Mediterranean cruise is a brilliant holiday, but if you aren't fully prepared for those port days, a summer itinerary can become incredibly exhausting. As we get everything ready for our next big cruise adventure next month, we wanted to share the 7 real mistakes we see passengers making that lead to exhausting port days and exactly how we can all avoid them to keep our cruise holidays completely relaxed, authentic and stress-free. Mistake number 1 is underestimating exactly how much you will end up walking on shore. When we were in Barcelona, it turned into an absolute mini marathon. We ended up walking a massive 14 kilometers in a single day. The simple truth is, you just cannot visit an entire city in one day. If you try to see everything, you'll end up completely wiped out. The solution is to prioritise and choose exactly what you want to visit before you leave the ship, rather than trying to do it all. Mistake number 2 ties right into that, and it's underestimating European stone. So what do we mean by that? So many classic Mediterranean cruise destinations like Genoa and Barcelona are filled with historic cobbled streets and uneven pavements. If you tackle these streets in flat fashion sandals or brand new shoes, you're asking for trouble and you're going to regret it. The solution is proper supportive footwear, and definitely make sure they aren't brand new so you avoid painful blisters. So ladies, keep those fancy shoes on board. Mistake number 3 is misjudging the summer heat. Living here in the south of France, we are well used to hot summers, and the reality is that the heat becomes much more intense as the afternoon progresses. By 3 or 4 p.m, the stone buildings and pavements have baked all day and start radiating heat like a literal oven, and large public squares with beautiful fountains offer very little shade. For protection, standard sun cream is an obvious must, and local style in Europe dictates a good, breathable sun hat or a proper cap or casquette to keep the sun off your face. For hydration, here's a top tip. If you have a ship drinks package, use it before you leave the ship by asking the bar for bottles of water or cans of fizzy drinks to take with you. We like to head out early in the morning to explore and then head back to the ship to enjoy a beautifully quiet afternoon while everyone else is melting on shore. Mistake number 4 is rushing frantically from one tourist attraction to another. Trying to tick every single monument off a list completely drains the joy out of the day. Instead, we always say, slow it down. Take a moment to sit down, enjoy a coffee or a drink on a proper European terrace, and truly experience the local culture. Wander through a local market, try the regional specialties to immerse yourself, mix with the locals, and just let the day slow down. Travel is about the experience, not the rush. Mistake number 5 is carrying around too much cash. Contactless card payments are widely accepted across Europe for almost everything. In addition, euros are accepted in about 90% of European cruise destinations, so the good news is that you only need to change your money once. Our rule of thumb is to take about 100 euros with you for the day. It's good to have a bit of cash for a quick coffee, small market souvenirs or public toilets. A key tip is to exchange a note for coins as soon as possible, because you'll definitely need those coins for tips, coffees and restroom entry turnstiles. Mistake number 6 is unnecessarily paying out for those expensive city transfers or walking tours offered by cruise companies. People often assume they have to buy costly transit, but many port cities provide free or inexpensive shuttle buses right to the centre. In fact, from many cruise ports like Genoa, Naples, Valletta and Messina, you can actually walk to the city centre in less than 10 minutes. The solution is simply doing a bit of research online before you set off. Or even better, you can download our custom independent walking tours and port blueprints. We designed these specifically to show you the exact stress-free routes on foot so you can explore completely on your own terms without spending a fortune. And finally, mistake number 7 is not being fully aware of pickpockets. To be clear, the tourist areas of most European cruise destinations are very safe, but crowded spots naturally attract clever pickpockets. The easiest solution for us is to wear a secure crossbody bag. This keeps everything right in front of us where we can see it. If you're travelling as a couple, a great tip is to split your valuables between the two of you so everything isn't in one place. Also, avoid wearing expensive jewellery or flashy watches on shore. These just attract unwanted attention. It's better to save those nice pieces for inside the ship during those gala dinner evenings. Exploring Mediterranean ports independently doesn't have to be exhausting. When you slow the pace down and prepare correctly, your visit will become more enjoyable and much more memorable. To make sure your next onshore cruise experience is hassle-free, don't forget to head over to our store to grab our custom walking tours and port blueprints to guide your day. Make sure you're also subscribed so you don't miss our massive upcoming series next month, featuring full ship tours, cabin reviews and brand new independent port guides. Thank you so much for being with us today. Keep off the tourist treadmill and we'll see you in the next video.